The opportunity few are seeing. Will you be among them? Every single day, we follow a simple routine we hardly notice. We wake up to freshen up, we brush our teeth, and maybe take some medication, grab a meal, and then head out to face the day's hustle. Somewhere along the line, maybe after work, we treat ourselves to a quick bite, such as fries, cookies, noodles, or some other packed foods. But here is the part we often overlook. So many of these everyday products are tied to palm oil. Now, pause for a second and think. If palm oil is everywhere in our daily lives, why are more people not positioning themselves to earn from it? Why consume what you can own a share of? Smart investors have already started seeing what others don't, the hidden gold in oil palm plantation. And one may ask, why palm plantation? Agriculture will never go out of trend. Cassava, yam, maize, they will always be relevant, but oil palm is a game changer because it produces multiple byproducts. It is globally needed every single day, and most importantly, it provides long-term income security. Investors think differently from consumers. Why consumers only spend? Investors build structures that earn for them while they sleep. Have you ever thought of creating a lifetime income from just a one-time investment? Imagine putting your money into something once and it keeps paying you steadily for decades. In this video, I'll be sharing 7 powerful benefits of palm oil investments. Benefits that will completely shift how you think about savings, bank deposits, and short-term businesses that never last. And if you're watching this video for the very first time, hi, I'm Chuknomics, one sleep paycheck to check, but turn that struggle into real financial peace. Now I help others do the same. If that sounds like your vibe, stick around for you find yourself a spot. On this channel, we dive deep into wealth creation, smart investment strategies, practical financial tips, and money management advice that works. And if you're still watching up to this moment, please like, share, and subscribe so that others will get to benefit from this amazing and educating content. Share with friends, like, leave a good comment, subscribe, follow for more. And the number one benefit here is passive income security. Imagine sleeping and still making money. Palm plantation guarantees steady yearly harvest, which means you don't have to hustle for daily returns. This is perfect for smart investors, civil servants tired of delayed salaries, retirees looking for peace of mind, and busy professionals seeking financial freedom. 2 is capital appreciation on land. Land never depreciates. As population and demand for land keep rising, the very soil your palm sits on becomes more valuable. This means you are not just planting trees, you are planting wealth on appreciating real estate. 3 is dual advantage. Unlike money sitting in the bank losing value to inflation, here your land appreciates while your palm fruit puts money in your pocket. It is like you owning a savings account that pays you both interest and rent simultaneously. 4 is perpetuity. Palm trees can remain productive for 40 to 50 years with proper management. That's decades of reliable harvest without the stress of starting from scratch every year. It is a farm today, a retirement plan tomorrow, and a family treasure for years. The fifth is legacy and generational wealth. You are not just investing for yourself, you are building something your children and grandchildren will inherit. Imagine your children thanking you in 20 years for a farm that still feeds them financially. That is true legacy. The sixth is employment creation and community impact. Your investment does not just enrich you alone, it creates job opportunities for locals, empower families, and build stronger community. That is investment with purpose. That is wealth with purpose. Last but not the least, 7. Environmental sustainability. Palm plantation improves soil structure, reduces erosion, and contribute positively to the environment. You are not only earning, you are restoring balance to nature while producing food and raw materials industries depends on. This is bigger than investment. It's a lifetime opportunity to join the few bold to move Nigeria from consumption to production. The real question is, will you remain just a consumer or step up to become an investor who builds real wealth and leaves legacy? If you want to venture into agro-palm plantation projects, hit me in the comments and I will see you in the winner's cycle.